So my bully comes here. Yeah. What's that? Here, you want a hand? This is a heavy one. Holy cow. Colton, look what you do. This is from Auntie Shelly, Rowan, and Kelsey. Here, this is what you do. Pull. Pull on that. Pull. Ooh. The presents, that's this part, not that part. Come here. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Yay! Here. Let's give a good rip. Here. Take that. Alright. Yay! Okay, that one didn't do much. Let's do another rip. Okay. Pull this one. Pull that one. Oh, good one. What's inside? Oh, I know what this is. You need scissors. Because, look what's inside.
Jerome,
Are you getting this? Huh?
hockey stick.